Hi, in this video we will go through the settings page in the online store. So right now we're here in the settings page and you can see multiple different pages here on the left. So let's start with general settings. So at the top you can see if it's like a switch, if the store is off or online. So this means that the store is online and everyone can see it, but you can turn it off with this if you want. Next, you can choose the user interface language. So you can have one or multiple languages available. And if you choose multiple languages, for example Spanish, now there would be two languages visible and available as the user interface language in the store. But please notice, let's jump to the online store, that the translations are only for the user interface, like this email address, password. So these texts are translated as the user interface. But all the content you have created, for example products and their descriptions, are in the language you have written them in. So our system doesn't translate your text and content. So only the user interface is in these languages. Next, you have the shop domain, which you have chosen when you set up this store. And you can customize the address if you want. So then contact our customer support and we will help you to set up the DNS settings so that the store is, for example, in your own web address. Currency is also chosen when you activate this store, and we can help you switch the currency if it's the wrong one. Currency format, meaning that the symbol that is visible beside the price. So by default, the system, for example, if it's euros, it has the euro sign beside next to the price, or a dollar sign, but you can switch the sign. So this is the sign you want to be visible, and these two marks you have to put in front of the symbol. So the system shows the symbol you have chosen. And after saving, you will see the symbol beside the price. Then you have a list of emails where the order confirmations are sent. So if you add your email address here, and you can add multiple if you want, all the order confirmations from your store will be also sent to these emails. So the client will of course receive the order confirmation after the purchase, but in addition to that, our system sends the order confirmation to all the emails you have added to this list. And with this, you will get order confirmations from all the purchases in your store. But you can also choose that you will just receive order confirmations from one product. And I will show how to do that. So if you don't want to receive order confirmations from all the purchases, then you leave this empty and you go to the product page, click open a product, and here you have order confirmation. Click it open, and here you can add an email address or multiple. So then only purchases from this product will be sent to your email address. So you can choose order confirmation by product, or via the settings page, order confirmation from all of the purchases. Then the basic setup for cookie consent banner that's visible when the client access your opens your store for the first time, and then whether you want to show taxes included or excluded from the price. So this means that the taxes are not included in the price, and this means that the taxes are included in the price. Then we can go to the next page, which is contracts. So here you can manage and create new contracts. And after you have created a contract, you can attach the contract to a product, and the client has to agree to the contract before they can make the purchase. And then you and the client can see the contract when they have approved it. So you don't have to send paper versions of the contracts anymore. So with this, you can create a brand new content. You can add also photos and documents like PDFs that the client can see when they're approving the contract. And you can manage the previously created contracts. So you can click open a contract and create a new version of the contract. You can also delete them from here. And if you want to add a contract into a product, I can show how that's done. So let's click open products and click open a product, and it's down here on the contracts section. So click add, and then you can choose from the list you have created, and you can add multiple contracts per product if you want. Then next section, shipping costs. So if you sell also like physical objects like supplements or t-shirts, then it's wise to add the shipping costs into the product. So meaning that you can add like a fixed shipping cost like this, taxes that are included in the shipping cost, and the name that's visible in the store, in the shopping cart. So for example, a client purchases like a whey protein, like a bag from you. They will see in the shopping cart, they will see the price for the whey protein, and below that they will see shipping costs. So this determines what's visible as the name for the price. And then you can choose how much is the shipping cost, like a fixed fee for all the products. And when you have saved shipping costs and the name here, you can add it to a product. So let's click open the product page again. So it's this. So if you click this, now it means that the system adds the shipping costs into the shopping cart when the client is making the purchase. But if you're just selling digital content, meaning that the content is only in the app, then you don't have. Then you should not add shipping costs, of course, because you're not shipping anything. The content is automatically uploaded into the app. Then we can go back to this page. So next section is integrations. So multiple pages where you can manage all the integrations that are available. So we have an open API on the whole platform. So we're continuously like developing new connections with different platforms and services. And if there's some service that's missing here, that's like vital for you and your business, please let us know, and we can see if we can like connect that system to our platform. So first page, payment methods. So like ready to use integrations with, for example, Stripe, PayPal, and you can activate these as many as you want, one of them or all of them. And after you have activated a payment method, it's visible in the store in the payment page. So the client can choose which payment method to use. So for example, Stripe, first you would have to open your own Stripe account in Stripe, the service itself. And after that, you can like connect your Stripe account to your Trainero store. So by clicking this, you can add your details to the Stripe section, and after that, your Stripe account is connected to your store. So all the payments go directly to you. And if you use Stripe, you can also have like automated credit card charges, like Netflix. So the system automatically charges from the client's credit card, like a monthly payment, for example. Then you have tracking and analytics. So you can activate, for example, Facebook Pixel to your online store, so you can track which advertisements are working the best. Then access control systems, like if you have a gym, we can like integrate access control systems. So then our system like talks with your access control system. So for example, you can sell monthly memberships to your gym via the store. Email sending. So by default, the emails, for example, the customer invitation email or the order confirmation email, are sent from our Trainero's email server. But with this, you can you can connect your SendGrid account to your Trainero account, and after that, all the emails are sent from your email server with your email address. And we also have ready-to-use integration with ActiveCampaign, which is like MailChimp if it's not a familiar service for you. So ActiveCampaign allows you to like transfer leads automatically from your store to ActiveCampaign, and then you can send like bulk emails to all the leads. Then you have shop integrations, so you can use, for example, Shopify. If you already have a Shopify store account, you can use Shopify to sell the services there, and then Shopify via API sends us the information, who has purchased and what, and our system activates the content automatically to the client. So you can sell the services on a different platform, and the platform informs us who has purchased and what. So you don't have to use our store to sell, like the actual selling process. You can use like outsource, like different platforms for that. Then we have CRM systems, for example, Perfect Gym. So we can connect CRM systems to this, meaning that if you have a CRM, you can create a new client there, and via API, the CRM sends all the customer information to us and opens a client account automatically. Or if the client cancels, you can cancel the subscription or like the membership from Trainero or via the CRM, and it cancels on the other end. So for example, you can cancel the subscription via CRM, and after that, via API, the system tells Trainero that this client has cancelled this subscription, and it cancels also the subscription here in Trainero. So you don't have to do cancelling in both services. It works both ways. And other integrations like Google Tag Manager that you can use. Then you have terms of service, which are visible in your store. So it's important to fill these in. And also privacy policy and cookie policy. So these are visible in your store, and it's important to fill those in. So everything is according to the legal specifications, like based on your location. And we have multiple different videos about other features, like how to create products, how to manage the like shop's theme, the look of it. So please check out those videos also. Thanks for watching, and see you again. Bye.